You already know how to generate unique, realistic AI voices like Isaac. But to make it sound super realistic, like a real human talking, you need to add emotions to it. And how to make AI speak with emotions. This is a big secret that we're going to uncover today. I already explained this roughly in my previous video, but today we're going to dive deeper into it. It's going to be a step-by-step process that will help you turn your AI voice.
I know how to speak your script with emotions. I know how to speak your script with emotions.
And at the end of this video, I'll reveal my script with marks that show you how I used it to stress words and add emotions in my AI voice that you're currently listening to. So don't miss it! The very first thing you need is an engaging script, because this strategy only works if the scripting is good. And if you want me to help you with this, then let me know. I'll create a video on that. Now let's say you've written the best script in the world. Come over to ElevenLabs, and this is the roller coaster part, cause now you're going to learn how to make AI speak with emotions. It's very easy. First, choose a voice that suits your content. This part is crucial because you'll be using that voice for eternity. In my case, when I was searching for my voice, I literally spent maybe a week or more finding it. However, after a week or two, I discovered some other creators using the same voice. You can generate an AI voice from the custom Voice Lab page or select one from the voice library. Now add your script. I added the demo script only to explain the process. Listen to this first.
Finally, after wasting 6 to 7 months on this research, I discovered the real secret sauce of viral scripts that they don't share. Yes, you need to do storytelling, but how after you find an interesting topic for your video, do a little bit research.
How was it? It was a basic AI voice that sounded pathetic and emotionless. And this is not what we want. We want it to convey feelings, so do this. When you add your script, try reading it in your head and add commas, full stops, question marks, and exclamation marks as needed. Write words you want to emphasize in capital letters, and let me show you how. If I read this, I would read it as finally, because it involves excitement. I'll use an exclamation mark. And to emphasize this, I'll write it in all caps. After wasting 6 to 7 months on this research, I paused. Therefore, I will add a comma after research. Then, I discovered the real secret sauce of viral scripts that they don't share. Now that the sentence is complete, I'll add a full stop. Then, after yes, I took a breath without stopping, so I'll use these dots. You need to do storytelling, but how? I did the same here. Since it was a question, I added a question mark at the end. You can play with the commas, and these ones, they produce quite similar results. Use them according to your preferences. Now let's generate this. Listen to
Finally,
this.
After wasting 6 to 7 months on this research, I discovered the real secret sauce of viral scripts that they don't share. Yes, you need to do storytelling, but how?
It is undoubtedly 10 times better than the previous one, but it's not ready yet. We want to make it sound more human-like, so come to the settings and do this. Set the stability between 45 to 50 and similarity between 70 to 80, and do not increase or decrease it more than that. In my previous video, I adjusted it according to my voice, but don't follow the settings exactly. Adjust them according to your own requirements. It is not advised to touch the style exaggeration setting, keep it at 0. In case you're cloning your voice, then you're allowed to play with it, but don't go too far. Now let's generate the voice with these settings.
Finally, after wasting 6 to 7 months on this research, I discovered the real secret sauce of viral scripts that they don't share. Yes, you need to do storytelling, but how?
Listen, it is getting better and better. If you still don't like the voice, you can regenerate it as many times as you want. Probably after 3 to 4 times, you'll get the voice that you'll like. Try to generate your voice in different parts, and don't attempt to generate the voice for your whole script in a single go. Finally, you have learned how to generate a realistic AI voice with emotions, just like Isaac's. And this is how I added marks to my script for this video. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, where I revealed how to generate a realistic AI voice like Isaac, then where have you been all this time? Go watch it now.